amazing actually. All right, we have with us Kriti Saran looking amazingly lovely right now at the IFA Awards. Pleasure having you on Bollywood first of all.
Thank you so much.
You're looking outstandingly, amazingly amazing. What have you worn today?
I'm wearing Roberto Cavalli.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's a golden mermaid kind of a gown.
Okay, and how's your health now?
It's fine. No. I was just rehearsing and I had not eaten much.
Right.
So I was feeling a little weak because of that. But now I'm fine.
Your performance was outstanding. People have been raving about it. You enjoyed it?
You liked it?
I've not seen it, but I've heard a lot of people just raving about it.
I hope it went well. Yeah, once you perform, when you're on stage, you don't really realize much. You're just out there and you're giving your best.
Right.
But I hope it's turned out well.
Right.
And it's live, so it's like, I hope it's turned out well.
Absolutely. Now, you guys have been slogging it out in terms of just practicing and rehearsing. Glamour business, it seems that it's all just nice and picturesque and all those factors. But it's a lot of hard work. Would you like to share some experience?
I think I've started respecting a lot of people's hard work and a lot of aspects of filmmaking after coming into this industry. I think जब हम ऑडियंस की तरह देखते हैं तो हमें सब ग्लैमर दिखता है और दिखता है अरे ये तो हॉलीडे कर रहे हैं उनको तो डांस करने के पैसे मिल रहे हैं एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट बट आई थिंक देयर सो मच दैट गोज बिहाइंड फिल्म मेकिंग whether it's the art department or the small details, the costume के room कैसा होना चाहिए and all of that. Filmmaking, whether it's the art department or the small details, the costume के room कैसा होना चाहिए and all of that. From the lightman to the spot person to the DOP, everyone works so hard for just one scene which passes off in like seconds. Similarly, I think even other aspects, whether it's performing on stage, of course it's live in front of such a huge audience and you can't make mistakes and you have to give it all. You have to give all your energy out there. Sometimes the stage is slippery, sometimes it's very tough to sort of move on. But you really have to smile and give all the lovely expressions where inside you're like, ah.
No, absolutely. Okay, Rapta, your performance was outstanding. Maybe the writing is something that at times one becomes handicapped with as well. But as a performer, do you feel that you've risen yourself as a performer?
I think
histrionics, there were a lot of varieties. What you portrayed.
Yeah, I think also probably it gave me a lot of scope to perform in terms of the range that the characters had. I think firstly दुनिया थी, दो characters थे, तो मैं पहली बार दो characters एक film में play कर रही थी. But apart from that, each character was not just a simple character. It was not a simple girl next door. There were some complexities in both the characters. So I think for me, I'm trying right now because I'm not from a film background. I've not done theatre. I've not done other things. So I'm just trying to learn through films while working, learning on the job, becoming better. And I do feel the change. I hope that it resonates with the audience. Like I hope the audience also feels the change in me. Because I think growing as an actor is the most important thing.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Your next director, I think, is a wonderful writer-director. So I'm sure that people should be looking forward to that. Your birthday is just around the corner. What are your plans?
Yes. I have no plans right now. I think Bareilly ki Barfi promotions are going to start. So I don't know whether I'll be promoting on my birthday or not. But it's going to come out soon, within a week.
Within a week's time?
Yeah.
Okay, so happy birthday and enjoy yourself. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.